Hello. I got an unboxing for you. This is going to be the first of two videos, actually. Or maybe three, I don't know. But at least two. This is a drone, a mini drone. It's from Attop. Attop, A-T-T-O-P. It is the X-Pack 2, 2.4 gigahertz mini foldable drone. Started $2.99 on Amazon. The listing is mini drone for kids, RC quadcopter, portable foldable drone for beginners, RC helicopter with 1-key takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, 3D flip, 2.4 gigahertz, 6-axis gyro, great gift for kids, X-Pack 2. Yeah, it's nice and long. But here it is here. Here's the box. Yes, there is no camera. Not a biggie, I guess. But let's check it out here. We have this is the accessory box here, which we have. Oh, we have extra rotors, I see. We have our charging cable for the drone itself. We have a screwdriver, and we have a pair of batteries, which would be for the remote. It's nice that they give you, batteries with it. There's the instruction guide, of course, and then a little whatever. But here it is here, and the drone is tiny. If you're wondering where it is, there it is right here in the center of the remote, actually. This is the remote. We have our trim keys here. Flip and headless mode buttons, I believe. I have to, almost positive. At least that's what it said on the Amazon listing. Batteries go here in the back. So unscrew them. Here is the drone. No, this is the power button there. But this is the little guy here, and it is foldable, of course, obviously. But this is it here. We open her up like so, and that's it. I mean, it's tiny. I mean, very, very small. We have on, off, and this is the charging port there. I wonder if I can. It does have LEDs. I wonder if it's charged at all. Oh, there we go. So there's some LEDs there. We have blue on the back, green on the front. And it looks like that. It looks like that was the space for the camera. I guess the other version has a camera. So you hold this in for on and off. But there it is there. I can't wait to play with it. It's nice and tiny. Obviously this is an indoor one. It's a toy. Great for beginners, for kids and all that stuff. But I like that it's all one piece. You can just put everything together in there for you. Yeah, I'm looking for, I didn't see it. Let's find it real quick here for us. Okay, so there's no function. This one has no function, apparently. 1-key takeoff and landing is what this is. Forward, back, left, right, trim. And, of course, we have, all that. How to fly. Okay, so the right stick, short press to flip, long press to enter headless mode. Oh, okay, so it's a button. That one is too, but it doesn't do anything, I guess. Yeah. So you short press to flip, long press to enter headless mode. Okay. So that's simple. Why wouldn't they make that it? Whatever. I don't know. But hey, of course, there's the trim buttons on there. Takeoff landing. After unlock the rotors, press 1-key takeoff button or push up the throttle to fly. 1-key landing or keep pushing down to land. Emergency stop. Keep pressing the 1-key takeoff landing button for 3 seconds to drone. Immediately stop and drop off. Okay, that's kind of cool. But I do like the 1-key takeoff, which is nice. Charging time is about 30 minutes. I'm not sure. Oh, 5 to 6 minute flight time. There we go. But this is it here. I will, obviously, I'm going to need to charge it. And then what I'm going to do here, I will take a video of using it as well for you, so we can see, and then the full review will be out. But Attop mini drone for kids, RC quadcopter. Great little guy. Thanks.